St. Patrick's Day, do you know what's really inside of McDonald's Shamrock shakes that you crave every single year? We're going to talk about exactly what is inside of that shake, what is driving you to become tired, what makes you need more of that shake, and why it's not good for you. My name is Jen Smiley, and I am the expert food coach and the founder here at Wake Up and Read the Labels. I want you to know exactly what you're eating when you get that McDonald's smoothie, but most importantly, I want you to know exactly how to swap it out so that you can enjoy a Shamrock shake for your upcoming St. Patrick's Day celebration. Make sure to hit below to subscribe to our channel to get updates and to know when a video gets released so that you can stay up to date with clean recipes to keep the foods you love in your life and feel good. If you take a look at the Shamrock shake ingredients from McDonald's, there are over 20 ingredients, and if you ever took one of these ingredients individually, put it on a plate and ask someone, would you like Blue One Lake on a plate, right? What are they gonna say? They're probably gonna say, no, what is that? Why would I want that? You pull into the drive-thru and you're only reading how much calories, fat, carbs, sodium, things that you think actually matter, but you're missing the point, right? You're missing what are the ingredients. Why is this making me gain weight? Why is my belly bloating? Why am I becoming tired? Why am I more hungry? It is because of these complex ingredients. When you are eating ingredients you can't pronounce, your body does not recognize them either, okay? When you're eating all these complex ingredients, your body has to work overtime. So when you go to bed at night, you are hoping to get a full night's rest. But when you're having complex or fake ingredients sitting in your belly trying to break down and trying to digest, your body doesn't ever get good, deep sleep. Instead, it's trying to break up all of these ingredients. It doesn't know what to do. Now, here at Wake Up and Read the Labels, we want you to know that you can eat all the foods you love and feel good. Let's start off by saying our Shamrock shake only has 5 ingredients, okay? You're gonna be starting off with 1 cup of clean coconut milk. You wanna make sure your coconut milk is strictly just coconuts and water. You'd be surprised, but a lot of the brands out there have added gums in the can, okay? Next up, you're gonna be using 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. Again, read your labels because a lot of the maple syrups or the table syrups out there are either brown rice syrup or it's high fructose corn syrup. You wanna make sure you're getting the real deal from the tree, pure maple syrup. Then we're gonna be moving on to 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, about a handful or a cup of ice. Lastly, you're gonna be grabbing about a handful of mint leaves. You can start off with a little bit and you can add more as needed. What you're gonna do is put this in a high-speed blender and blend away. Okay, once your smoothie has been blended, we also want you to know this brand called Harmless Harvest. This is organic coconut smoothie and it's made with coconut water and coconut meat. You could also use this, it's going to make it even thicker and more delicious. But once you have it all ready, know that you can add a little bit more sweetener if that's what you would prefer, or a little more or less mint leaves. It smells very minty. Okay, once you have found your favorite cup, I just grabbed one from my kitchen here. So what you can do is take a little bit more mint and just drop it right there on top to make it festive. It's gonna make it smell a little bit better. When you go to drink it, you can stick a straw in there if you would like. But here is to your next Shamrock shake made with all clean ingredients so that you can celebrate St. Patrick's Day and feel good throughout your day. Remember to hit the subscribe button below in order to keep getting our updates and get more recipes and tips and tricks to eat the foods you love and feel good.